Hello guys, welcome to my channel Noob Developer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can remove duplicates from the array basic. So I have language data class here, which is have ID and a name. So I'm going to create first array of name languages equals to array of, and here I'm going to pass language and provide the ID with the name Java. Okay, repeat this like that and like that. That's it. So here I'm going to put Kotlin and here I'm going to put Java Python. Okay, now the ID is 2 here and the ID is 3. So now I have two duplicate items which have ID 1 and name as Java. Okay, now if I am want to remove these two duplicate items, so how we can do that? There is a single one method basically which we can use here, which is distinct function. And now there are other methods also which you can use, which is languages dot to set method. Okay, now what this method returns, let me show you. First we are going to run this and check what it going to return. It returns id1, id2, id3. Okay, it also removes the duplicate items, but here what happen is basically it returns the set of languages and also preserves the element iteration order of the original array. Okay, here this is the main actually thing, preserves the order of the elements and also return the first element of duplicate elements. Okay, now we have some other methods also like mutable hash set and mutable set. This also returns the same. So these are the some functions actually of Kotlin you can use. Now this returns this list basically, which is readable and writable both. Okay, this is mutable set, this is not immutable set. And there is one more function which is hash set, that too has set. Okay, now if I show you that, then it will actually returns the hash set. Okay, now you can see the Kotlin first, Java second, and then Python. Okay, now this basically hash set is to return you without preserving the order. Okay, so there are four methods we see here. First is basically we see the distinct function, which is obviously the function which many of you going to use, basically going to use. And the second function we saw is basically the to set method, and then we saw to mutable set, and then we saw this to hash set. Okay, so the basically difference is basically there are some differences here, and you need to also think about that before using those functions. So in distinct we have no nothing, it just returns a list of those objects or values basically, and to set is going to return you the set which is not writable, which has not the ability of writing. It is just only a read only. And to mutable is basically read only and write both. And to hash set is going to return you the hash set, which is, if I show you, this is hash set basically. And it is also not going to return you in the preserving order actually of the elements. So this is also, so this is it for this video. If you like this video or if like this type of videos, comment it below and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe the channel, bell icon, press the bell icon so that you never miss the update of my new videos.